Alright guys, so how to create a custom keyboard shortcut in Adobe Photoshop. So for example, if I go to export and I want to create a custom shortcut for this one. So in order to do that, I have to click edit and then come to keyboard shortcut, go to file, and this is the button, and I'll choose F11 for example. I'm gonna click accept and hit OK. So now when I press F11, it'll ask for a place to save, and I'm gonna click save, and that said this is a shortcut for me. Let me in the comment what you guys think if this would help you. You can also choose a different thing to do with these shortcuts. For example, this is file, right? For example, you want to do something on select, so go to select window, and for deselect layer you can choose some keys if you like. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, have a nice day, take care.